I'm going to be telling you about the big streaming TV changes in March 2025. First off, DirecTV has a couple of new packages, and there's two that's very interesting. First off, it's called My Entertainment, and it's going to be starting at around $34.99 per month, and it's going to come with over 40 channels focusing on entertainment. Next one is called My News. It's gonna be starting at around $39.99 per month. It's gonna be focused on channel and it's gonna be tailored on news, and you'll have 10 plus channels to choose from. And all of these are its base package, and it's gonna be that exact price. There's no hidden fees or any other installment fees along with something like that, right? The second thing is that YouTube Premium has been having talks about a new, cheaper YouTube Premium price, right? So, as if you know, right now it's starting at around $13.99 per month, but there has been talks to make it cheaper. But the catch is you're gonna have ads on music videos, right? So if you're watching music videos, you're gonna get ads. But if you're not watching a music video, then you're not gonna get ads at all, right? The next one is that there's gonna be PR Sports on Max. Now, if you have a basic plan, you're not gonna get PR Sports on Max. You'll have to pay extra to upgrade to a standard or a premium plan. But if you have those plans, then you're gonna get PR Sports on Max for free, completely free, right? So no extra charges, completely free. And there has been talk about new multi-views on PR Sports as well. Next one is that Disney Plus, Hulu, and Max, the bundle, it has been pretty popular lately, right? If you want to buy this, you can get one with ads and you can also get one with no ads, right? And you can see you can save up to 72% per month on Disney Plus, Hulu, and bundle for only $2.99 per month for 4 months, right? It's very cheap, much cheaper to get it on a bundle. And if you get it on a bundle, you can only pay over $17 per month like this, right? So you can save over 43% by buying this bundle instead of buying them separately one by one. Now, the next one, ESPN's upcoming direct-to-consumer service is going to be expected at around $30 per month, and the ESPN plans to add user-generated content to its upcoming flagship streaming service, right? Now, the final one is that YouTube TV has recently reached an agreement with Paramount, and they're partnering with Paramount so they can keep channels like CPF or MTV right on YouTube TV without them disappearing or having any blackouts.